Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Michael. On today's video, I want to show you guys top 5 most profitable business to start here in Nigeria to make a lot of money. So the number one business idea I'm going to share today is money exchanging. A lot of people don't know that there's a lot of money to be made exchanging currency, USD, Naira, to be exchanging it. That's why you see all this allergy, they make tons of money. All this allergy that exchange money, they make a lot of money, but a lot of people, sometimes some people feel like it requires for you to have huge capital to be able to start exchanging money. It's not really. I've seen people that just start with just 50,000 naira and they make it to the top. Because of what? Because they just start with what they have. Being able to exchange money here in Nigeria now, because of the internet, is more easier, because you can easily go to naira rate ngrate.com, and you can just post your own rates. You can easily get a buyer, or you can easily buy from someone that is selling, and that's how you just simply become a money exchanger. Understand? Now currently the rate, I think the rate is 700 or 70, I don't know, but some people are exchanging in different rates. You can easily buy, for example, you can easily buy 700 from someone that wants naira. You understand? When you post your ad on Facebook, or you just create a money exchange page, or you just go to website or any place that you know that people normally comes to ask for exchange, people that want to exchange money here. Understand? So people can go online to exchange. Some people can use Binance to exchange. Some people can go on a physical location. You understand? Some people can be in the markets exchanges. Some people can be at the border. So it depends on where you want to be doing your own exchange. What you do to make profit is just that. The reason why, what you will do to make profit is just to buy low and sell high. That's the only procedure. It's very simple. And also being able to skillfully know how to dictate fake money, fake currency, and the real one. And so you have to have the skill. Is a skill that not everybody has, to being able to dictate fake money. That's why I see most people are afraid of going into exchanging money business. That's that. So for example, now most of the exchangers, their profit margin most time can be sort of like 10 naira, 5 naira, 2 naira. So for example, now you start exchanging, you buy or you buy you buy 1000 USD or 15 USD from someone, and you resell it at the rate of 700, and you sell it at the rate of 710. Because when you buy USD from someone, or when someone buy from you, anyone you do, there is profit in it. Even if when you buy from someone now, you can still see business people that really want to go outside to go and buy goods. They are really in need of that USD, so they come and buy it from you at the higher rate. You understand? Because they're really willing to, they are willing to pay any amount to just to get that USD, because they are buying it for business. They want to go and use the money to buy goods. That's how. So that's how to make profit from. So most times, for example, you transact a business, when you transact 1,500 and you are using 10 naira to just do the transaction, 10 naira profit on each dollar, you are making about 1,500 will be 1,500 USD, will be giving you sort of like 15,000 per one transaction. That is a very nice profit, and you didn't stress yourself to make that money. So that is the number one business idea that I'm going to give you guys on this video. The second one is being able to be buying ticket for people. Understand? But that one requires for you to have a normal physical location and an office, whereby you can easily advertise on Facebook, on your Instagram, or on your Instagram page, or any of your profile on TikTok, any place that you have a social media present. You can easily advertise to people that you do sell tickets. You understand? Plane ticket. I mean plane ticket. You understand? At affordable rate. So there is a lot of places that you can easily go and buy these tickets and resell it to them at a very profitable price. You understand? So you can use some mobile banking apps like Access Bank has that features, whereby you can easily be able to buy tickets with Access Bank app, and you will see the lowest. The Access Bank app give you the lowest price. You understand? So when you buy it, and it give you the option to being able to fill in the client, the person that you're buying it for, you fill in his name, everything, and immediately you pay, they will generate in the next few seconds. You will receive your e-ticket immediately. Or you work with the airline will be giving you their best price, and you'll be reselling it to other passengers that want to travel at a very profitable price. That's why you see all these people, all these agents that sell tickets, they make a lot of money, they rent expensive place, and they make a very good living from just selling plane tickets to people. And Nigeria now has domestic flights, a lot of domestic flights. So more people are buying tickets just to travel from one state to another. Understand? So this is a very profitable business that not everybody know how to do it. So if you make more inquiry about buying and being a ticket agent, you get to know that this business is very profitable and you can venture into it and make a lot of money today. A third business is real estate agent. Being a real estate agent doesn't mean that you should go and have go and borrow money and start acquiring land, acquiring property, reselling. No, that's not what I'm trying to say. Being a real estate agent is by just go and have his normal physical office. It's not to be like a normal agent that just um do commission stuff of a thing. No, this is how it works. Let me just explain it more very very quickly. Let me just explain how it works. Just have a physical office, have a Facebook page, promote that Facebook page to have some like 5,000 or 6,000 likes, and then now go out there with people that are willing to work with you and start looking for houses that are for rent. Understand? When you get to those houses that are for rent, you take the pictures of those houses that are for rent, rooms and apartments that are for rent. This is how you will start small. Understand? It doesn't require a lot of capital. After taking the pictures and the locations, you can easily post it on your page, and you can boast it, or people that already like your page will see it. That those people that like your page, the reason why they like your page is because maybe they may be in need of renting house or apartment or a room. So when you post it now and put your contact, they will come to you now to for you to show them the apartment or the house that you are advertising that is for rent. So when they come to you now, they pay money to you to being able to show the apartment to them. That's not because them too that is looking for it, they cannot be able to find it without you as an agent. So you expose beautiful apartments to people that are in need of apartment. So that is a very nice service that you're rendering to them, and they are willing to pay. Those people that are really in need of those apartments are willing to pay commission to you just for you to show them the apartment or the room or the house or the land that you are advertising. But just make sure that you are trustworthy, make people to trust you so that you grow more faster in this real estate agent of a thing. That's because it's very very profitable here in Nigeria, because real estate is growing a lot here in Nigeria. the the fourth one is being a social media marketer. You understand? You can handle business page. You understand? For people. You understand? You can. A lot of people have businesses, but they don't know how to run ad. So this business require for you to being able to learn how to run ad. You understand? Learn how to manage page. A lot of business, they want their business to be out there up and running online, so that more eyeballs will be on their business, more people will see their business and come and patronize them. But they don't know how to manage page. Most companies, they don't really know how to bring in traffic. If you specialize on that, learn the skill how to market online, how to run ad on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok. If you can be able to specialize on that, you make tons of money, because you can be able to generate more sales for companies, more sales to business owners, and they will be happy making in more sales. Because of what? Because you are helping them to you are making their brand to get more exposed. Understand? You are exposing their business to more audience, you are promoting their business, and every month they are willing to pay you decent amount of money for you just doing that for them. So you can easily reach out to company business owners via their email or go to their physical location, tell them that you can easily be able to help them generate more sales, and You can just give them normal price, and when they see how effective the thing is working for them now, they can you can tell them the normal money that you charge every single month. What you normally do is just that you promote their product, their item, you run ad, as I can put in money out of the money that they pay you every single month. You take off some money and run decent ad that will bring in more sales for them. So that is it, to be a social media marketer. So if you want me to make more in-depth video about this, comment below. The fifth business idea is to do local drop shipping. Have a importer, or if you don't have an importer, uh comment below. I can give you contact of some importers here in Nigeria, local importers that you can easily be able to buy wholesale from. Understand? But being doing this local drop shipping doesn't require for you to have store or physical location. So you do market online, have your Facebook, have your business Facebook page, where you advertise your items, your product. That particular product that you are selling, you can easily get it from the importer and send it to the person that orders for it. Understand? You can just hire a dispatch driver to help you do the delivery, or you do it by yourself. So you can easily work with importers. So normally this local dropshipping doesn't require for you to have much capital to start doing it. You understand? Sometimes when your client, the ones that already be buying from you, that trust you, sometimes they can easily just pre-order, send you money. You can just go to the importer and pick up the item or the product and send it to them. The only thing is just to send it to them. Use a dispatch driver or deliver it by yourself. You understand? So this business is very easy to do here in Nigeria if you have people that you can easily buy the item at the lowest price. Understand? The lowest price, because there is difference between wholesale price and retail price. And if you are working with importers, is much better, because direct importers will give you the best price you can ever get. Understand? So this is it for today. Like this video if you find it helpful, and also subscribe to my channel. If you want me to make more in-depth video about this drop shipping, local drop shipping, just comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.